equipment that we got from the place. Big compressor over here. Compressor is optimized for painting, water separating and stuff. 20-ton jack. Workbenches, fans. Look at the fan. Sucker's huge. Look at that one. Whoa. Where we do our painting. We turn the lights on. It's auto repair. Auto repair. The full downdraft paint booth. Professional booth. Expensive paint booth, but it gets the job done, and it gives us the opportunity to do professional work, warranted work, which we can honor for life. It's our heat light. It's 9,000 watts. It's 3,000 watt infrared heat light. It's a water separator. It's pretty cool. The car we just painted, did a complete paint job on it. Got it back in the shop to the follow-up polish, and you know, we like to maintain our paint work. We'll do a couple polishes on it after we, deliver the vehicle a couple months later. So that's why it's in the shop. So came out perfect. Actually, was a customer. Was one of the managers at the Lexus dealership. So, car for a customer, vehicles towed up from another shop. It's Infinity. Cars, repair work stuff. Gerald. Some of the things. It's my yard right here. That's where I got my yard. It's on the side of my building too. Frame machine. About to get serviced. Oh, it's dark back here. Dad's car. Way in the back. Surveillance cameras. There's one there. One under the light. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Two over there in that corner. Yeah, Wrens Body Shop. I just purchased everybody out. I'm gonna transitioning, doing a conversion, changing Wrens to Sammy's 360 Automotive. And there's my storefront. That's the red light that I'm on. RTA barn. I'll show you all a picture. Well, as you can see, there's a lot. Well, not a lot, but this is usually 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the usual, not more, type of traffic we have here. It's pretty good visibility. That's Tipitina's. That's a pretty busy music venue. On the corner, it's kind of famous. It's a bed and breakfast. Used to be my friend's old house. I used to live there when I was young. Twins. And We have a pretty good traffic count. It's really nice. His neighbor's house is over there on the other side. So at least 3 of them have technicians live there, but it's not. I mean, we've got a lot of, not a lot, but maintenance and stuff. And after the COVID-19 opening back up, we're resilient. Let's overcome COVID-19. That's my plants. That's my fleur-de-lis. My office.